Hello and welcome to English Bytes. In this video, we are discussing the word AGOG. AGOG has two syllables. In British English, we pronounce it as AGOG, AGOG, AGOG. And in American English, we pronounce it as AGOG, AGOG, AGOG. AGOG means to be very excited and eager to know or see more about something. It's a high level of excitement about a particular event, idea, or situation. Imagine you are a student waiting for your exam results. You worked hard and now you are very excited to see how you did and cannot wait to know your results. You might say, "I'm agog to see my exam results." The example sentences are: number 1, he was agog with joy when he saw his birthday gift. Number 2, Mary was agog about the upcoming music concert. Synonyms of agog are excited, eager, restless. The antonyms are calm, uneager, relaxed. This word is an adjective. Common preposition used with the word agog is with, and the other prepositions are about and over. Thanks for watching.